dun ka blow to rin dapita guys. Ayan, ako grabe guys. Super fresh ang hangin. Medyo mainit-init na guys ay nagpakita na si Haring Adlaw. So it means may tumbutulit ugalit guys. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like and share my video. And please naman guys, don't skip ads.